Hi, this is Dennis at Rydell's, and today we're going to be going over why it's important to flush your cooling system and how we do it here at Rydell. Now, your cooling system is responsible for keeping the engine cool, but also transferring heat into your cab when it's cold. GM recommends that you flush it every 60 to 100,000 miles for the Dexcool systems. A lot of the green cooling systems also recommend doing it about 45,000. But double check your owner's manual to see what your intervals are. Cooling system kind of runs like a river, so you have the water flow through the entire system. It'll cause erosion on some of the parts. Now, flushing the vehicle will actually help keep that down. It'll keep the fluid fresh and prevent that from happening as you run your vehicle. At Rydell's, we use BG flush systems, so we have a cleaner for your cooling system that'll actually break all the deposits loose, put it into the fluid so we can flush it out. And then we have a conditioner which will actually help keep the fluid nice and clean and run better. So we're going to add the cleaner to the system, hook up the machine, and let it warm up the engine so it's all circulated. Now that the engine's warmed up, we're going to flip this valve, and what that's going to do is going to shut off the flow through the engine and run it through our flush machine. Now that we have flushed all the new fluid through the system, we're going to shut it off. We're going to add the conditioner to the cooling system and top it off. And that's our coolant flush. Thanks for watching today.